In this how-to, we'll be covering GAT Shield's installation and configuration. To start off, go to the Device Management section of your admin console. Once here, select Chrome Management on the left side of the screen. Next, select User Settings. Now choose the root OU to install GAT Shield domain-wide. Alternatively, you can choose a sub-OU and install it to that separately. Once you have that selected, scroll down to Force Installed Apps and Extensions. Select Manage Force Installed Apps. Now select Specify a Custom App. There are two versions of GAT Shield which are available, one open version and one closed. The open version allows the end user to see all the environment information from their Chrome browser, including where and how they are spending their time, and other useful details about their Chrome environment. This version is also a recommended way for parents to monitor their child's online activity. The closed version will only display an icon, but the end user can't access it. Both versions' IDs and URLs are available in the description of this video. Once the app is installed, every user who logs into their Chrome environment with your domain credentials will have the app automatically installed. The end user cannot override this setting. Make sure to save changes. Next, we'll get the GAT Shield companion app, which allows Shield to capture a snapshot from the user's webcam should they violate an alert rule. The ID and URL for this app is also available in the description of this video. Please follow the same installation procedure for GAT Shield for this companion app. Now we must scroll down to the Task Manager setting and select Block users from ending processes with the Chrome Task Manager. Be sure to save your changes. The next step will cover enabling serial number collection for Chrome devices. Please note, this step requires the purchase of Google Device Manager. You can find out more information in the description of this video. GAT Shield can collect the serial numbers from the Chrome OS based device it is deployed to. This can be useful for asset tracking and proof of use tracking. To enable this feature, we need to configure some additional settings in the G Suite Chrome Management Console. First, ensure all devices are enrolled on your domain. This will not work for any device that isn't. Also make sure that GAT Shield is deployed. Secondly, navigate to the Chrome Management window. Then select Device Settings. Again, you'll have the choice to select either the root OU or a sub-OU. Now for verified access, set it to Enable for Enterprise Extensions and Enable for Content Protection. And in addition, add the following as the verified service account. This will also be in the description of this video to copy and paste over. Remember to save when configured. Next, navigate to the Chrome Management section and select App Management. Once there, search for the following app. You can find this code in the description of this video. Add it to your list of apps. Save when done. Once the app is installed, double-click on the listing for the new app, GAT Shield Verifier. Select the user settings and set the switches as shown in the video. GAT Shield will now start reporting the device serial number in the Shield User Device Geo-Reporting section of the GAT Shield tool. Now you should have GAT Shield fully deployed. Don't forget to go to our website to get a free 15-day trial of GAT+. If you enjoyed this how-to, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the bell so you never miss a video, and let us know in the comments what you would like to see from us in the future. That covers this GAT Shield how-to. Thanks for watching.